everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Alamay Mirantes, PSIT second year college student from Assumption College of Davao. So in my last video, I already explained the HTML language which I use in my website. So today I will be explaining the CSS, which is the responsible for the design and appearance of the web page. First, I use a CSS reset, which is this, to remove the browser's default spacing and make it easier to control the layout. And the next is the body section. So I set the background color into the light pink, match the makeup theme, change the text color to dark for readability, and adjusted the line height to make the text easier to improve here. And I also tried to change the font, but I can change it because I don't know how. Next is this containers. So this keeps all the content aligned and prevents it from becoming too wide. So as you can see here at my website, you can see that this is so organized. This. So next is this header. So in the header, I added a pink background color, border, a light border, and padding to make it more attractive. So inside the header, I use this, I use this tree. So I use this para dili siya magka katag-katag. Next is this. For the navigation, I removed the bullet points to display the links in the horizontal line, added spacing between them, and included a hover effect that changed the text color with the user points at the menu item. So, maunta ni siya ang katong mag-hover. Mag-change ni siya color, pero wala na ko siya na change. Ay, ano dahil. Ni light, siya. Ganyan, yung hover effect. So, next is the hero heading. So, I increased the font size. Where is that? Font size, changed the color to dark pink, and applied the play for display font to make it stand out for the description. And I used the Poppins font with a readable size and proper spacing. The button has a pink background, white text, rounded corners, padding, and a hover effect to make it interactive. So next is for the footer. Where is the footer? Here. So lastly, the footer has a dark pink background, white centered text, and a padding to provide a clean ending to the web page. So that is my explanation of the CSS used in my website. Thank you for watching and God bless.